A very good morning, dear students. Now, as you all know, we had started a new chapter, motion and measurement of distances. Now, half of the chapter was complete. Now, we have to cover the topic types of motion. Now, the first type of motion is, first of all, what is motion? Motion is movement of a body. So, the first type is rectilinear motion. Now, the type of motion in which the body moves in a straight line. That means in this, the body is not turning in any of the direction, neither left nor right in curved path. It is moving straight forward. Now, this kind of motion is known as rectilinear motion. The example is soldier doing march past. Yeah, you must have seen soldiers during 26th Jan in New Delhi. They are performing march past. So all the soldiers are moving in a straight path. So they are performing rectilinear motion. Now second is, now okay, I'll show it by the car also. A car is there and this car is moving in forward direction. It is in a straight forward direction. It is not moving in curved path. So the motion of this car is known as rectilinear. Very good. Rectilinear motion. Now next is curvilinear motion. Now all the motions which are performing curved path, which are moving in curved path, they come under curvilinear motion. If a body moves along a curved path, it is said to have curvilinear motion. Example is a car taking a turn on a curved road. Okay, and the second is a pencil drawing a curved path, okay, or a curved circle. Now this kind of motion is known as curvilinear motion. Now under curvilinear motion comes many motions like circular motion. Now again it is performing a circular motion. It is moving in circular path. Now the type of motion in which the body moves in a circular path or circular motion when it moves around a fixed point called axis. Now if I talk about a clock, now see here, now see this clock. This is a clock and this is the needle of second needle. This is minute and this is hour. Now you can see the performance. How is it moving? Now the needle is fixed at one point and at the other end it is free. That means it is performing the circular motion by keeping its one end fixed in the center. Okay, so this kind of motion is known as circular motion. Okay, now this point where it is attached, it is known as axis. It is again and again moving, see, in a circular path with one end attached to the axis. This is known as circular motion. But students, one more thing I want to tell you, that the motion or the movement of the needle or the movement of this clock, it is having two kind of motion. First is the, you must have seen the circular motion, and one more thing is the periodic motion. Periodic motion means the motion which repeats itself after regular interval of time. That means this needle will move like this 60 times and it will complete 1 minute. That means for every 1 minute it has to complete 60 seconds. So that means this needle is repeating itself after a regular interval of time. So it is known as periodic motion. Hope you must have understood. Okay, now next is, understood this? This circular motion is again having one more example. It is merry-go-round swings. You must have seen merry-go-round swings. It is attached at the center, okay, and it is free at the edges. And these may be having different kinds of swings, different kinds of attachments. Maybe a horse is there or any of the cart, it is attached to it. Okay, now this motion is known as circular motion in which one end is fixed. Now next is the revolutionary motion. Revolution, what do you mean by revolution? When a body as a whole moves in a circular path. In this, the whole body, if I talk about this earth, our earth is revolving. It is revolving around the sun. Okay, that means when a body as a whole, the whole earth is doing the performance. Now maybe this is a earth, this whole earth it is not attached to any of the ends. It is as a whole moving around the sun. Okay, now this kind of motion is known as revolution. Okay, example, the earth revolves round the sun. Understood? I hope you must have understood. Now that means the earth is freely moving as a whole body around the sun, and this is again a revolutionary motion as well as a periodic motion. That means this revolution is periodic. It repeats after a certain interval of time. Now I'll tell you rotatory motion in next video.